Hello everyone. In this video, we will do discussion on various aspects of promotion like its meaning, its objective, importance, and about promotion mix. Then we will do discussion about communication and its process. And finally, we study integrated marketing communication. So let's begin and move to the definition of promotion. Promotion is one of the four P's of marketing. It includes all the tools and techniques with which a company can communicate with their customers. It refers to any communication activity used by the organization to inform, persuade, recall the target segment about the organization, its products, and services. It is one of the most critical processes in marketing. It focuses on how to attract the right audience to your business, introduce your product and service effectively, and convince the people to buy it. It also helps the organization in building reputation that brings much more benefits for the organization. The promotion activity serves many objectives, but the most important one is to support and increase sales, to motivate the customers to go for trials, to create awareness about the organization and its products. Another objective is to inform the target market about the product benefits, reminding, modifying attitudes, and creating a brand image are some of the additional objectives of promotion. The aim of promotion activity is to do communication with the target audience. Therefore, it follows the communication process. In communication process, the sender develops an idea to be sent. Then the sender encodes the message and selects the channel of communication that will be used. The message travels over the communication channel and is received by the receiver. Then the receiver decodes the message and provides the feedback. There is a possibility of distraction at every step due to so many reasons, and these distractions are called noise. This is a diagram showing communication process and its various elements. All promotional activities follows this basic communication process, but an organization uses new tools, techniques, and creativity to distinguish themselves from their competitors while communicating with their customers. Moving to the new concept that is promotion mix. Promotion mix is the integration and the allocation of resources among five primary promotional elements, that is advertising, publicity, sales promotion, direct marketing, and personal selling. How the organization integrates these elements depends upon what they are promoting, preferences of the potential customers, general market conditions, and the organization's budget. Apart from the above discussed elements, promotion mix also includes trade fairs and exhibitions, point of sale displays, packaging, and telemarketing. Integrated marketing communication is a new topic. It is an approach used by the organizations to brand and coordinate their marketing efforts across multiple communication channels. It is usually used by the companies to develop more cost-effective campaigns that still delivers consumer values. It is the application of various communication methods to accomplish marketing objectives. Now we will discuss about various elements of promotion. The first one is personal selling. This is one of the traditional forms of promotional tools wherein the salesman interacts with the customers directly by visiting them. It is a face to face interaction between the company representative and the customers with the objective to influence the customer to buy the product and services. The next one is sales promotion. It is a short term incentive given to customers to have an increased sales for a given period. It includes discounts, coupons, payback offers, or end of the sales season. With the sales promotion, the company focuses on increasing short term profits by attracting both existing and new customers. The next element is advertising. Advertising is any paid form of media communication. This includes advertisements in magazines, newspapers, radio, and TV announcements and billboards. It is a non personal promotional activity as the seller has no direct contact with the potential customers during the communication. The next one is publicity. These activities promote positive image and foster goodwill with the intent of increasing the sales. Generating favorable media coverage, hosting special events, and sponsoring charitable campaigns are example of it. The last element of promotion is direct selling. It is a marketing and selling products directly to consumers away from the fixed locations. In direct selling, the individual sales agents or representatives reaches and deals with the customers directly, and with this we covered and completed the promotional decision topic. For any suggestions and feedback, you can write us at usefulstudymaterial@gmail.com. For more videos, you can subscribe to our channel, that is Useful Study Material. Thank you.